compare our bodies to other people. We compare our looks to other people. We compare what other people have to what we have. And the more we do so, we start to get more and more lost, and more hurt, and more confused, and even more depressed. Or sometimes we might feel good looking, or we might start to feel good about ourselves because we are good looking. But eventually in time those looks will fade. I give it 18, 22, 25 years at best. 25 years ago I was very good looking, and now I'm just becoming an old man. It's okay. I've accepted that. There's nothing wrong with it. This thing, these things, this thing, used to not be there. Now it is. Now they are. There's a beauty in accepting yourself for who you are and what you are. Once you dissolve who you are and what you are, you forget who you are. You forget what you are. You just realize that you're all things in this moment, connected with all things in this moment, with all things in this moment. Nothing could touch you. Nothing could take away from you. You're just here with all things. Nothing to be afraid of. No need to desire more. You're just here. You're not giving anything a name. A tree is not a tree. You are not a person. You just all things. Connected to all things. Being with the beauty of all things. There's no past. There's no future. There's no present. You're just vibrant. There's no need for words. There's no need to call it the present. You're just radiating. And in that space, life, everything happens. Existence, creation. You're tapped in the flow of life, flowing with life, not separate from it, not working in the opposite direction, but you're whole in this moment. And that's where God sits. That's where heaven exists. That's where the Buddha sits. That's where all things are. And that's what we're losing, because we're getting wrapped up. We're getting wrapped up in things that aren't here, in existence, in the flow of creation and all things. Things that are distractions. Things on your deathbed you look back at and you'll think, I wasn't really connected to it, was I? Because in the last 5 minutes of your life, you'll know before you die. There'll be this knowing, this wisdom. And you'll be like, that's what it was. And I missed it. That's okay. You'll most likely be somewhere else for a little bit. And then you'll come back to this realm, if it's still here. And it doesn't really matter. You'll try it again. When I used to do these videos on my other channel, I used to think I was St. Paul reincarnated. And I think maybe I still am. But that all doesn't matter, does it? Have a good day, everybody.